But okay, so we have some stuff here. We can deposit collateral. We can redeem collateral. What else? So we probably should figure out a way to get some total supply, right? So what we're going to do is now we're going to finally make our mint function. So function mint DSC, public like this. And what do we want to put in here? Well, if we go to the DSC engine, go to mint DSC, go to this mint DSC function, it takes an amount of DSC to mint. So we'll do the same thing. We'll say uint 256 amount, and that's it. We'll mint a random amount. So in here, of course, we can't have amount be a number of things, right? We can't have it be 0, and they would need to not have their health factor be broken. So we're going to say amount equals bound amount 1, and let's say max deposit size. And then additionally, this amount better be more than the value of the system, right? Because we have this revert if health factor is broken. But maybe I don't even want to do that narrowing down. Maybe I just say, screw it. I'm going to make revert on false, fail on revert false. And I'm just going to leave it like that because I'm nervous that I'm going to narrow it down too much. So then maybe I just go, screw it, vm.startPrank, message.sender, and we call in the DSC engine mint DSC, dsce.mint DSC, and the amount, and then vm.stopPrank. And this is where actually you'll see sometimes some people will have continue on revert and a fail on revert. Fail on revert. See, some people can have two types of folders. Continue on revert is going to be the quicker, looser tests where it might look like this. The fail on revert is going to make sure that every single transaction that you run your invariant test suite on is going to pass. I personally think it's good to have both. When I'm writing invariant tests, I actually start with the continue on revert because they're faster. Oftentimes you can find bugs as long as you narrow down them enough. So for now, let's go ahead. Let's have this be false. See if we can find any issues like this. So we'll go up. So we'll run forge test-m. We're just going to run this invariant test. Boom. Let's see if we get any issues here. We'll see how many reverts we get as well. We got a similar amount of reverts, which is good. Similar amount of calls, which is all right. And then actually, if we do -vv, we can even see the console.logs at the end. It looks like it hasn't found a way to mint more tokens than collateral in the system. Oh, and it looks like the last run, it ended with a total supply of 0, right? But maybe I'm paranoid. Let's actually go back to true, and let's just stay true for the rest of this. But like I said, I think it's good to have both types of tests. Anyways, handler. So this mint DSC, we should only be able to mint DSC if the amount is less than the collateral. So what we can do is we can call this get account information, which gets the total collateral value in USD and total DSC minted, and make sure that we're always going to mint less than the collateral value that we have. So we can say, we can actually just copy these two, paste it in here, equals DSCE dot, copy this function, paste, message.sender. So we're going to get the total DSC minted, collateral value in USD. And what we can do is we can say, we'll just have them always mint the max DSC they can mint. So we'll say uint 256 max DSC to mint equals collateral value in USD. We could say the collateral value in USD divided by 2 minus the total DSC minted better be greater than 0, right? Better not be a negative number. So we can even do like an int 256. And then if this is negative, then we're just going to return. Otherwise, we're going to say amount. We're going to equals bound this again. Say amount 0, comma, max DSC to mint. And then we're also going to say if amount equals 0, we're going to return. Oops. And then actually we need to grab this start prank, put this down here. That's all we need to do. And we should probably just grab these, put them down here. We don't need both of these. So we just need this, I think. Yeah, we don't need both of these. We only need one of these. So we'll do uint 250. We'll convert this back to a uint 256. And if amount is 0, return. This looks pretty good to me. Let's see if we made this actually work. Let's run this. And now we can mint DSC. Successful. And bada boom. So we have some calls. We have no reverts. This is great.